Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this very simple and easy Valentine's Day look, and I just chose to do just like a classic red with a very easy eye look. So let's get started. I'm going to be using my MAC 217 brush and a dupe for this brush. This is like one of my favorite brushes. I actually have the dupe. This is a dupe for it. The Morphe M433 is basically the exact same thing as the MAC 217. So the one right here is the Morphe, and then the one right here is the MAC, and they're pretty much the exact same thing. Obviously, you can tell my MAC one is a little dirty, but they're pretty much the exact same. So we are going to start off with our transition shade. I'm going to be using this shade called Pooter, which is this one right here. So this is also going to be a great look for any of you guys that are like in a rush, or you just want to get your makeup over with, basically. So this is going to be our transition shade. For the lid, we're going to use a shade called Silk Cream. So I'm just going to keep this very simple. I'm not going to add any shimmers. If you want to add shimmers, you can if you want to. But I feel like with the red lips and the lashes and everything, it's not really necessary. Like, you can totally get away with it without using any shimmers, but of course you can if you want to. I used was the E55 for the lid. Now I'm going to go in with my Sigma E30 pencil brush, and I'm going to be going in with the shade called Central Park, which is this dark one right here. So this is just going to go in the outer V. We're pretty much like done, well, almost done with the eye look. Like I said, I just wanted to keep this very simple. I feel like this is going to be more of a realistic eye look for a majority of people, because this is just so easy to create. And if you don't own the Jaclyn Hill palette, you can, use any palette that you already have and just use any browns. You just need like a light brown, like a mid-tone, and like a dark. Okay. And then I'm going to be going in with the MAC 217 brush again, and I'm going to grab the color that we use for our transition, and I'm just blending up here because sometimes you can lose a little bit of color. And then I'm going to go in with my Makeup Geek pencil in the shade Espresso. And this is just going to act as just, regular eyeliner. I was going to use black, but I don't know, it's a little too dark, and I just feel like adding browns all over the eye. So I'm going to go in with my pencil brush again, and I'm going to grab that dark shade, and I'm just going to bring it down. I love adding like eyeshadow underneath here because I feel like it really helps complete the eye look. Sometimes when you do your eyes and you don't put anything down there, your eye look just does not look complete and it looks like a little weird. So I feel like adding eyeshadow down here really completes your eye look. And we're going to be pretty much blending it out with that same transition shade called Pooter. And we're just going to blend it out. And this is just to help create that really pretty ombre effect. So I'm going to use my favorite Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara. This is my go-to mascara. Like, ever since I discovered this, I cannot use any other mascara. And I use this mascara only for the bottom lashes because I don't know if this happens just to me, but when I use a regular mascara on the bottom lashes, it like transfers like down here, like almost to my cheek, and I'm like, how does my lashes, or how does my mascara go down there? And ever since I started using this mascara, I think this is probably like my third or fourth little bottle or whatever, and ever since I started using it, it has never transferred. And this is so cheap. I think it's like around $10, I want to say. And then you're supposed to be switching up your mascara like every 3 months. So I did my eyeliner. I put on some lashes. These are the Isabella Rose and Lorella London lashes. So for lips, I want to do a very pretty red. And I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Heathers. This is such a pretty red. I love this red. I feel like the undertone makes my teeth look a lot whiter. So that's pretty much it for this look. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.